Hey guys, for our Blu-ray update of the week, I just got RIO in 3D. This is a 3disc combo Blu-ray 3D, regular Blu-ray, and DVD with digital copy. This is an import from Brazil, and without further ado, let's remove the plastic so I can better show you the case and the slipcover here. So here it is. Let's remove this one. Comes in a really nice slipcover. There's nothing fancy, it's not embossed or debossed. There's nothing here, it's just a very light, actually it's more like a paper slipcover. Here's the back cover, exactly the same. Unfortunately, United States is supposed to get this release in August 30th, which is like 45 days from now. Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray and digital copy. The director is a Brazilian guy. His name is Carlos Saldanha. He's the same guy that directed Ice Age 1, 2 and 3. So let me show you here. Here's the code for your digital copy. It doesn't work for iTunes, so you can only transfer to your computer. So here we have RIO Blu-ray 3D for regions A and B. Here we have the regular Blu-ray. It's also regions A and B. And this one is the DVD and digital copy. It's a 2disc combo here. And the good thing is, it is regions 1 and 4. 4 is for Brazil, 1 is for United States. Now let me show you the special features up close. If you haven't seen this movie yet, you should definitely check it out. It's really funny and great for the whole family. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos, and stay tuned for much more Blu-ray update of the week right here at Blue Collection.